Gentlemen of the press, we are from Akida Forum. Just now, we are from the DSS office where we submitted this document. It goes like this. We are the APC Akida Forum, a socio-political pressure group headquartered in Kaduna State. We like to bring to your attention an urgent national concern affecting millions of Nigerians. The APC Akida Forum is seriously concerned by the allegation made by the current governor of Zamfara State, Dauda Lawal, against his predecessor and now Minister for State Defense, Bello MATAWALLE. A series of interviews granted on national television has gone viral. In this interview, the Zamfara State Governor Dauda raised grave concern about his inherited issues upon assuming office. These issues include Bello MATAWALLE, his predecessor and now junior defense minister, being accused of sponsoring bandits and misappropriating state funds. These severe matters strike the heart of the governance, security and welfare of the people of Zamfara State and should not be handled lightly. We consider it our responsibility as loyal party members to seek thorough investigation into the serious claim to uphold the integrity of our party and our esteemed leader, the President. Failing to address these issues could hurt our party and reputation of relevant security agencies. We want to emphasize that these issues are not just political problems. They encompass matter of life and death, economic survival, and fundamental human rights of the citizens of the Zamfara State, the Northwest, and Nigeria at large. Hence, we send this appeal to the Department of State Service, DSS, because Nigeria have faith in the institution as gatekeepers. We want the DSS to launch an independent probe into the numerous allegations against the State Minister of Defense, Bello MATAWALLE. We as loyal party members must be concerned about these issues. Serious challenges and campaigns are underway across the country targeting the hard-earned reputation of our leader, the President. Part of these issues are caused by people's previous action, such as Bello MATAWALLE. We want the DSS to conduct the investigation not to castigate the Minister for State Defense, Bello MATAWALLE, but to save millions of Nigerians and safeguard the integrity of our President, security agencies, especially the intelligence community. The Department of State Service is in the best position to advise the President to relieve Bello MATAWALLE from his position so that he can face an investigative panel. The State Minister for Defense should clarify his connection with dangerous individuals like Bello Tangoji, Musa Kamarawa, and Adon Zuru. Kachalawa Daudawa is a bandit who abducted the Kankara student in 2020. There are heavy allegations that MATAWALLE bought a house for him in Damba area of Gusau, the Zamfara State capital. When Bello Tangoji, a bandit warlord, was arrested in 2023 January, Commissioner of State Security DIG Maman Safe went to bail him out on MATAWALLE's directive. These are not abstract concerns. They represent actual tangible violation of rights of Zamfara citizens, right to education, healthcare, economic security, and life for freedom, the constant threat of banditry and violence. These issues should be forefront of any reasonable Nigerian who mean well for the country and our dear party. The claim that MATAWALLE remains loyal to the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and has the full trust of the administration is quite concerning. Since when has loyalty to a sitting president become a measure by which an individual accused of associating with dangerous bandits should be unquestionably protected? Bello MATAWALLE is not the only minister in our government. Why is he the only one with many questionable past and heavily surrounded by allegations? Why is nobody accusing of the substantive and senior defense minister, His Excellency Badaru, of involvement with bandits or any killer group of such? Any sensible person who has our party at heart must be worried. The APC Akida Forum believes that there is no smoke without fire. To uphold transparency and fairness, we strongly urge Bello MATAWALLE to step down from his position and subject himself to a thorough investigation. This is imperative to ensure accountability and maintain the integrity of his person as a parent and a member of the biggest and most significant political party in Africa. I am Malam Mahmoud, representing Chairman APC Akida Forum. When I started this presentation, that's where I started from. That we've submitted, we are just from the office of the Department of State Security Service.